Hey guys, it's Mr. Trackmaster here, and today I'm going to be doing a review on a product sorry, I can't talk, that I got about a week or so ago, but I couldn't review because I went on a second vacation, this time with my family instead of with my grandma. But this is a review that I got at one of my brother's friend's house. It's a review on the Trackmaster Belle. Well, I'm sure you guys already knew that after clicking on the title of the video. So, Belle. Not a great character in the show, but her Trackmaster thing is okay. I mean, even though it's got those goddamn static side rods, I can't really see it being any worse. Except for the Playroll version, I'm not a big fan of the Playroll version now. It just has those side rods. Like, if you're gonna if you're gonna design a character that has those really fancy side rods, I'm not sure what they're called, then just give her side rods like Gordon or Henry has. They both have those fancy side rods too. So just do that. Playroll Belle just gave her those generic, simple side rods like a lot of the Trackmaster models have. Like just a few, or like Thomas, Percy, James, Duncan, if you want to be random. Anyway, let's go into the details of the product. She's got her water tanks. She got some sort of rigid design. Got her, I guess they're hoses, but I'm not really sure what to call them. I guess I'd have to watch Day of the Eagles to see what they're called. I don't want to do that. Anyway, I like that these things rotate 180 degrees. If you're being generous, 360, but I don't want to break this thing. This is a decent product. Her eyebrows are coming off, so if that eyebrow on the right there, I can't remember which focus, if that looks a bit shoddy, it's because I had to fill it in with marker. I also had to fill in the buffers because they were also a bit scratched up, but overall this is in good condition. I think this is a later model because it has those stupid holes in the wheels. This might be from 2012. On the bottom, you got these lazy, non-movable wheels that are just there to look tiny, kind of like an Arthur. I think this might be a later model, like I said, but it just doesn't say anything. Wait, hang on a second. Stupid thing will not focus. No worries. I'm actually gonna get a new phone in a day or two, maybe 3. So this thing would just freaking focus. This thing takes always so damn long to focus. And it's out of focus again. I'm just going to zoom it out here. 20 Tango lanes. You got this sort of number right here. I don't know what that means. I don't know. I have never understood what 1186 MJ, comma 1, comma NL. I never understood what that means. But you got Made in China. Coming back here. Yeah, this might actually be the real one. If I can find a Belle that doesn't have the holes in the wheels, I might use that in my series and remakes. But for now, this might just have to be the one that I use. This thing will not focus. There we go. The glare from my lamp over there is very bright, so it might be hard to see it. Traction tires are about the same condition as Spencer's whenever I boxed them back in May. I had to put a new battery in this thing, and it didn't work at first, but I used Leo Convidio's method of giving it what he calls a sharp tap, but really just means slamming it on the desk as hard as you can. So I gave her 2 of these, and she started working like this after I put the new battery in her. I forgot to bring some track, so I'm not going to be able to test her on some track. This thing's so I guess I'm kind of at fault here. I guess I can make her go across the table. Actually, I guess something better to add to that scene. Let me do that again. Insert obnoxiously loud Michael Brennan narration here. Oh my god. Fucking moron. I guess that's about it. I do like some of the minor details. That's how I'm going to wrap this video up. The sticker looks kind of weird. I don't understand her number at all. In the episode, I don't remember which episode it is, but I think it's an episode in 14 or 15 revolving around Belle. They said that Belle has a big brass bell, and then I have to reveal one of the laziest parts of Belle, which is that she does not have a big brass bell. She has a tiny brass bell. Like, I'll zoom out again. Like, this is my finger, right? Okay, I have a normal size finger, except for maybe the length, but I'm just gonna put my finger next to the bell for comparison. If you have one of these, you don't need to look at this part, but just look at that. Look at how tiny that stupid thing is. Look at that. Belle had a big brass bell. And Mr. Price is just like, no, she doesn't. She has a tiny brass bell. It's static and it's barely noticeable. Her defining feature, besides these, is barely even visible on her. I hate it. It's one of the only nitpicks I have about this thing. So if I were to rate this model, I would probably give it a maybe 7 out of 10. Overall, I think it's a pretty solid model, and this is a nice, solid way for me to end the episode. In complete focus. Thank you.